okay? And when you look back like this, there's another yin and yang. One is going forward, but the other one is pushing it. So there's that opposite force or contradictory of movement, but yet not contradictory because it's all in unison, okay? So there in a nutshell are at least three points that I wanted to show you on yin and yang. So if you look through all of Tai Chi, you'll see it, okay? You just think about it and do it. You'll see that for yourself. All right, to get into grasping of the word scale, you just finished the fourth repulsing of the monkey. So the fourth repulsing of the monkey is something like this, okay? Ear, toe, heel, pivot, pull. All right? You pivot your right foot. You hold your ball on tiptoes. You come up with your heel, up with your hand, but this time it's this motion here. So the palm is facing you and everything's forward, not to the side, either side, right in the middle. Your right hand stabilizes. You flip, this is the flip hand. Flip, at the same time you flip, the other hand comes to meet it, about this distance away. You pull and you push. You look back. You turn. Okay? And you square first. Then you contact at your wrist. Separate. Sit back. You push up and forward. You drop your left hand. You turn your left foot. You hold your ball on tiptoe. Yin and yang, the other side, right now, right grasp. Up with your heel, up with your hand. Flip, hold on the tail. Look back, turn, square, then contact and push. Separate, sit back, up and forward. One step further. Drop your right hand, turn your right foot, transitioning into